Your woman will leave you. I have been talking to a lot of women and I know what I did to win most of them, and I want to tell you what to do as a man to also win all of them. What I'm about to tell you, the last one will shock you. Okay, so let's start with number one. Have a bigger purpose. If your girlfriend is or your wife is your sole happiness, then you are losing as a man. If she knows that, hey, she's your only source of happiness, man, she can do anything just to frustrate your life. You know what I'm saying? And have the ability to say no. A lot of men cannot say no because they are too nice to these women. They are too nice to their girlfriends. They think when they say no, the girl will leave them. Man, that is a big mistake you are making. When you say no, doesn't mean you are disrespecting her or you don't take her opinion as anything. When you say no to certain things, she will know that, oh, you have value. You know what I'm saying? You know what to tolerate and what not to tolerate. Many guys are terrified to say no because, I mean, my brothers, they think it will cause a fight. If they say no, she will hold the affection that she's giving them, or she will stop showing the love that she's showing them. You need a mission, a career, and a goal, a passion project, something that you burn for outside of the relationship. Why she will leave you if she's your only focus? You become needy. Neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. She will want to be invited on your journey, not be the journey. Yeah, it's good to be nice. Everybody's saying, hey, be a nice guy. Even your mother tells you to treat a woman nice, but there is something that a woman is searching for. Number three, I would say, do not abandon your friends and your family. If a woman is preventing you from your friends and family, that woman is toxic. Don't entertain her. Leave her. I mean, I'm not saying you have to go out with your friends and be roaming whilst your wife is in the house suffering and all that. No, I'm not saying that. But if she is preventing you from your friends visiting you, your family visiting you, talking to you, man, you cannot deal with that woman because she's gonna frustrate your life. Friends, they boost you, give you that kind of connection that you want to build with the world. You can share some good ideas with. And also, I mean, the male friends I'm talking about, especially I'm talking to my men. So there are some women, they don't want you to be talking to your friends because they think maybe you are sharing too much with them. No, some men, they building business connections. They are building empires through their friends. So if you don't have social connections, how are you gonna build yourself up? So if the woman is cutting you off, know that this woman don't want your happiness. She don't want you to grow. Okay, your male friends keep you grounded and accountable. Sometimes when you do something to your wife, even your friends will say, Charlie, the thing that you did to your girlfriend is not nice, you have to stop changing. But the woman will not know that the friends are the ones even putting the man in order for her. You know, so if she says don't talk to your friends, man, it's a red flag. You have to leave her. Call out any disrespect. I'm telling you. Now I'm not gonna go by any list. Call out any disrespect. If she disrespects you, call her out. Don't wait for her to do anything to you or to say anything again. Just call her out. What you did, I don't like it. Don't do it next time. If you don't set that boundary, the woman will leave you because she knows that this man, he tolerates anything I do and he don't say anything. I don't know the type of man you are. She will start feeling some way, you know what I'm saying? And definitely she gonna leave you. So if you don't say no, you are training her to do the same thing she did to you. You are training her to do it again and again and again and again and again. You don't have to be cold, but you have to be direct and communicate your feelings to her, okay? Don't go and fight with her. Just, you know what I'm saying? So be decisive. Just be the leader. Don't just be like, hey, maybe I wanna go out, but I don't know where to go. I'm just go. No, my guy, be direct. Today I wanna take you here and meet me this time. I mean, wear this type of dress. Sometimes wear this type of dress and meet me this time. Meet me this you know. And when she's late, you have to call her out, because time is precious, and let her know. Yeah. So be decisive. If you want something, yeah, a woman want leaders. They want somebody to initiate every move, somebody who will carry them along their journey. They have to build a goal together. So if you don't have a direction, and you don't have a purpose, or you don't have, like, you don't know where you are going, why should she follow you to where you are going? Because you don't have direction. So why do you want to follow someone who doesn't have any direction? So you have to have a direction as a man. Emotional regulation. You have to regulate your emotions, my guys. Don't be like a woman. So if you are apart every time she tells you certain things, if you feel so sad every time, if you get shaking anytime she tells you something, you know, that woman will not trust you, and she will not feel secure with you. You know what I'm saying? Because she'll feel like she cannot trust what you're gonna say. And the decision making I was talking about, she'll also feel like you cannot make any proper decision, so she gonna make the decision for herself. And that decision she's gonna make is to leave you. So as I was saying, regulate your emotion. It's like when she's down, you have to be the lighthouse. You have to give her direction. You have to encourage her. You have to make her feel good. You don't have to be panicking. Okay? You don't have to be panicking. When you are panicking, she'll feel like you are not emotionally strong enough. You cannot handle certain things, and she's gonna leave you. And last but not the least, be willing to walk away. Be willing to walk away. Okay? You don't need to be afraid to walk away. Walking away sometimes can make her correct her mistakes and come back. Walking away will show how strong you are. Walking away will let her know that this man walking away will make her miss you. If she really loves you, if you walk away, she will really miss you. Okay? If she do something to you and you don't like it, man, don't tolerate it. Just walk. Just walk. And she will come. I'm telling you, if she really like you. If you are putting the energy and she's not putting in the same energy, walk away. Don't waste your time. You are wasting your time. She's just waiting for the right time to get somebody that women are hypergamous. They are hypergamous. So they want the better man, men who have their cash. So if you know you don't have the cash and you still want this woman, learn how to walk away. Let her know, even though you don't have the cash, you respect yourself. Okay? This will make her feel like, oh, this man is so nice and I can deal with him. You know, you don't have to be terrified losing her, that you tolerate bad behavior, cheating or anything. But you know, so the man who is willing to walk away from a bad idea or a bad deal is the man who has the most leverage. Okay? You have to be the bad man. So what I'm saying is just set boundaries, and you're gonna get the woman that you want. And also lastly, I say respect yourself. If you respect yourself, the woman gonna respect you. If you don't respect yourself, you're gonna lose that woman. So this is something that you have to do. I'll see you in the next video. Don't worry, And I'll see you in the next video. This is your man, Lord them air, but you will sit there. 1, 2, 4 people, and out. Peace.